Pets are a wonderful part of our families, right? Including both of ours.
Yeah.
But caring for them takes time and sometimes quite a bit of money.
Simply Money's Amy Wagner shows us how much pet owners are now spending on vet care and what's the best way to pay for it in this Consumer Alert.
Some people would do just about anything to keep their pets happy and healthy. Now, thanks to veterinary breakthroughs, even pets with difficult diagnoses have a chance at living much longer. But if you're not careful, that extra care can really sink your budget.
Let's go. Go get your last treatment.
Diana Lawrence is taking her dog Safi in for her last radiation treatment at Pet Cure Oncology in Sycamore Township. The journey here started with what seemed like a routine x-ray.
Well, she was coughing and hacking, and she's known to eat cat toys. So I thought for sure something was lodged. So I went and had x-rays made, and they told me the good news is she's got lung cancer and only 1% get lung cancer.
Lawrence's husband heard a radio story about a clinical lung cancer trial happening at Pet Cure, and Lawrence called to see if Safi would qualify. She did, and now Lawrence is hopeful the targeted radiation therapy will mean a longer, happier life for her pet.
We're hoping that it is to shrink the tumor, which is actually pressing a little bit on her esophagus, and that could be a lot of the coughing she had.
Cancer is pretty common in pets, with 12 million cats and dogs diagnosed every year. Cancer treatment centers like Pet Cure are at the forefront of providing this kind of care to pets. Dr. Kelsey Pullman is the radiation oncologist who leads the team there.
We're the closest facility within about 500 miles, so we have people coming down, from Nashville, from Cleveland, all over to have this type of treatment for their pets.
Pullman says pet tumors tend to be advanced when they're discovered, since dogs and cats can't relay their symptoms as human patients could. So having the latest technology to deliver targeted radiation can buy those pets more time with their loved ones.
People come here to pursue cancer therapy for their pets because they think of their pets as family, and they are.
But that extra time comes at a price. A standard course of canine chemotherapy costs between $3,000 and $5,000. Radiation typically costs more. A dog with lymphoma may even need a bone marrow transplant with a price tag of $20,000. That means a difficult decision where pet owners figure out what they can and cannot afford.
If we know it's going to be worth it, yeah, we'll put it out. If they say it's only for a few months, we've got to kind of talk about it. But this treatment's looking really good.
Because Safi's enrolled in a clinical trial, the Lawrence's out-of-pocket costs are greatly reduced. But if you have a pet, you need to be ready for vet bills. As soon as you get your pet, start saving money for their care. Even $25 or $50 a month helps. Look into pet insurance, too. More veterinarians now accept it, and it's covering more procedures, too. Just make sure to shop around when your pet is young and healthy. There's also a card called Care Credit, which advertises 0% interest introductory periods. But if you don't pay off your balance when that period ends, your rate could reset to nearly 27%. Another idea? Look for a credit card with a longer 0% interest period. Lawrence says the cost isn't as important to her as the quality of care Safi is getting.
They are amazing over there. They welcome her just like she's their own pet.
There are also organizations that help pet owners cover the cost of this kind of health care. We've put the links with all of that information on fox19now.com. For Fox 19 Now and Simply Money, I'm Amy Wagner.